just checked into my room at the InterContinental Maldives, and I'm going to show you around. And as you've probably guessed, it is a little bit more than just a room. So I've got a 1-bedroom sunset villa, and so as soon as you come in, you get the pool, and then on the right side there's a little lounge area, and then we've got the guest bathroom here, and the amenities is Barredo, and they've got the fancy Japanese toilets, and as you can see, very spacious lounge with lots of seating space. And then just want to give you a peek outside as well, where there's the pool and some seating area. And then you've got a huge sofa where you can just lounge. Have a look behind this door, and it's the little service kitchen in case you were hosting guests. And then just taking you through to the bedroom. And so you've got this enormous 4-poster bed with, I'm gonna go up close and show you, but there are personalized pillows. And then you've got more lounge space, a little tea area, and this is your mini bar. With a lot of options. Coffees, you've got all your cups, your glassware, and then plates, cocktail stuff, kettle, and then on this side you've got the actual bar, very well stocked. And then it's Nespresso pods in here. I'm just going to focus on this detail actually. It's a nice little pocket for all of your stuff. And then just going behind here, where you've got your wardrobe. Hello. So the back end of that minibar is your kind of extension to your wardrobe, where you've got your safe, some drawers, your ironing board, dry cleaning stuff, laundry stuff, and slippers. And then got loads of robes, lots of hangers, and up there you've got life jackets for when you go snorkeling. And then this is the bathroom area, where you've got your open bar, and then your toilet here, bathroom, and then your little beauty product, cotton buds, etc. They're all here. Dental kit, and then just going into here is the shower, which, surprise, also opens outdoors into an outdoor shower. So you can decide what works best for you. And then I'm just going to walk you back around so you get a feel of the space. And that's it. That's the sunset villa at InterContinental Maldives.
Subscribe to Culture Explorer to see the latest videos.